Good stuff, mate. Yeah, well, you're still making lots of noise down here. That's incredible, mate. I can't believe it. But you must be the strongest vertical station I've ever heard of it. Yeah, I don't know, you must be just in that right spot there, Scott. You know, so some locations are better than others, you know. So you must be just in that good location there, is it? Yeah, good stuff, mate. At least I know if I key up, I'm sure to hear you out there somewhere, or I'm sure you're going to hear me out there somewhere, Roger. QSL, man. Yeah, well, yeah, you know what it's like. It's a bit rough and tough sometimes, and obviously early in the morning, you know, if conditions are not really that good, you know, it's a bit impossible. But believe it or not, I couldn't get back to anybody this morning. I mean, I tried on the beam and that, and I guess nobody was hearing me from home. But the funny thing is, as soon as I got in the car and I put out a call out there, I was able to talk to Mr. Tyler, the World Radio 05 out there. He heard me out of the mobile, but I tried from the home base and he couldn't hear me. So work that one out, Scott, over.
Everybody can hear you, Uzi.
QSL, man. Yeah, you're starting to sound a bit scratchy on that last over there, Scott. So I don't know what's going on. You may have a loose connection there, Roger. Just thought I'd let you know. Oh yeah, could be. Yeah. And was that you there, Sid, over?
Yeah, easy. How are you, mate?
Hey, g'day, 541. What's going on down there, Sid?
Bloody 6:35 this morning. I got him earlier, so it was a bit hard, but I put out calls earlier and I never had nobody come back to me. It's surprising you didn't get somebody. You're a bloody noisy bugger. Over.
Yeah, well, I guess we can only try there, Sid. We can only try and make a bit of noise, and I guess, you know, if someone's going to hear, well, they're going to hear, and if they're not, they're not. But, you know, I tried for a couple of guys out there this morning, and it just wasn't happening for me this morning. But you know, I never tried that hard. I just put out a couple of quick calls before work and didn't catch no one on the base. But as soon as I got in the mobile, I was able to talk to Tyler in San Francisco there, Sid, over.
Yeah, yeah, Tyler comes in pretty good there, and yeah, I put a call out on, I just said good morning on 425. Tyler come straight back to me and said, hey, Sid, they got me bloody voice sick now, this raspy old voice, I can't change it. But there you go. Anyway, I'll let you get back to Scott there. He's coming through quite okay to me, and I heard you on there, and I took 781 down to 430, and I've had a 15-minute talk with Matt there, so there you go. Okay, I'll talk to you a bit later there. I got the message there. I can't get you for some reason, I'm bugger do I know. But just texts and goes in, and then somebody says g'day, and then somebody comes on and says that one's right, so leave a message, and I don't know what's going on, mate. Take care anyhow, and I'll talk to you later, over.
Yeah, Roger, I think it might be because you've got a private number. You know, sometimes when someone rings you, they don't show their number, they've got a private number. Yeah, well, my phone is set up, if you've got a private number, it goes straight to me voicemail, you know, because I've just set it up like that, you know, because I get a lot of bloody telemarketers and crap like that, you know, with private numbers trying to ring me, trying to sell me crap, you know. So that's why I've set up my phone. So any private numbers go straight into me, you know, voicemail, and obviously people with their numbers showing, I can see who it is, and it won't, you know, won't go straight to the voicemail. I can answer them straight away, right?
Yeah, no, I understand that. I don't want to cut in on your QSO with Scott. So that's it, I'd say g'day, but you think you're going to ring me later, so that's okay. If I could ring you, I'd ring you instead of you ringing me. But just doesn't work. I've tried all the phones and nothing works, and I'm not very good at SMSing, mate. Anyway, you get back to Scott, mate, and I'll go quiet. Catch up with you easy, thank you.
No worries there, Sid. I'll give you a call later on, mate. I did catch your message, and hopefully you got mine in return. So I tried to reply to it. So hopefully you got the reply. But I will ring you later on. I got unlimited calls anyway, so it doesn't cost me anything to ring you there, Sid. Anyway, I'll catch you later on. 541, 351. We're going to go and have some lunch, over.
Yeah, okay. Thanks very much. Yeah, I got the message. It came through bloody quick, didn't it? I'd only sent it probably about 60 seconds or a minute and a half, and then I had my phone click and I looked and it was a message from you there. So that's it. So take care, mate. Ring me on that one as the best idea. So take care and I'll leave you with Scott there, mate. Ciao, mate.
Catch you later there, Sid. All the best, mate, and good to hear you. Good to be able to talk to you on the radio anyway. All right, mate, cheers. 541, 351, cheers.
You know, I opened the roofing filter up to 15 kcs and up the preamps and all that, so you're up there about 20 over. I recorded 5 minutes of you two talking right there, so watch this video too, because it sounds a lot better than this one. But I'll let you get to lunch. I'm back QRT.
Hey, good on you there, Larry. All right, mate, so it's still sounding good. Yeah, it doesn't sound too bad in the headphones. It's not a bad sound anyway. All right, mate, take care. We'll see how we go. If I like it enough, I might leave it. Take care, the World Radio 06. A pleasure, Larry, and we'll catch you soon. We're going to go and have a bite to eat, so yeah, we'll see what's for lunch today. Hopefully something good. Catch you later, mate. World Radio 351. Going for lunch. Cheers.
Click.
Yeah, it sounds like it. But I'll tell you what, that sounds good. A nice hamburger will go down well over. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Take care. Have a great evening. And hey, happy Turkey Day coming up to you guys. Oh man, that's too long to wait. Anyway, have a good one, mate. Happy Thanksgiving to you guys, and all the best. This is Radio 351 Australia. Cheers.
Hey. Yeah, well, them brakes, I suppose. It takes all types to operate these things, eh? Go ahead.
Any numbers, so I had a bit of a stall for a while there, Alpha, but no, it's always a pleasure to make contact with you. As I said, no matter what the conditions are like, you're always coming through around the same signal. Yes, it certainly was here, Alpha, some sort of early in the morning and sort of that, even probably around 12:30 last night our time. It was sort of, yeah, there was still a little bit of stateside.